our English cucumber, put in our dill. We need to put in a tablespoon of white vinegar, a teaspoon of salt, a half teaspoon of sugar, a quarter teaspoon of garlic powder, a half a cup of sour cream. Now all we have to do is stir it together. And we're just going to let this sit in the fridge for about 4 hours. So what we have here is a turkey we shot last spring. Going to take this and kind of cut off any bad parts. For the most part it looks pretty good. We're going to cut thin slices all the way through. The rest of that is going to be used for some nuggets. Y'all can't see right below the camera, but the dough is waiting on scraps. This recipe is coming from Meateater.com. Those guys really know what they're doing over there. Just going to take my plastic wrap, flatten it out. So I don't have a rolling pin or a mallet. We'll use a wine bottle. Soak these in some buttermilk for a couple hours. And all we're going to do is pour our buttermilk in, put that in the fridge for a couple hours, go from there. Now that the turkey's been sitting for a couple hours, put one in, that covered with flour, into the egg wash, into the pan. Sit that right here, and that's ready to fry. Just continue your steps until you've done it all. Now we're going to heat that oil to approximately 350 degrees and test it. When that spoon starts to bubble,